Jemuna, born on 30th August 1936 in Hampi, Madras Presidency, British India, present day Karnataka, India. On Jemuna's 89th birthday anniversary, we are remembering with the song Pagale Vennela. Jemuna is an Indian actress. We are remembering her with this Pagale Vennela song. వెన్నెల జగమే ఊయల కదలే ఊహలకే కన్నులుంటే